We didn't know each other and it just done. You see me? Seeing like when you what's up guys? Yeah guys, we don't wanna see where I post from the other day. But yeah, we not post from the other day guys, you know. Guys, we have really bad news for you know. You see me? I know some of you are disappointed guys to see it. Because we never had a expect, which me never had a expect this neither, you see me guys, but I saw it go sometime, you see me? So I want to know if you just, as you can see, when you see say she, CC make a channel for herself. Yeah. So she make a channel for herself guys, and you know say we done with this thing, with the couple thing guys. Yeah, we not go bother continue with it because it not to work out as how we did want it to go guys, you see me? And we not just make because of YouTube from the love no day, we not it can't work, you see me people. So I just want to know if you like that video, share out that video, share that video out guys, you see me? Make sure you share that video, you see me, and leave a comment guys. Subscribe if you're new because this is gonna be my page now guys, so just subscribe and make sure you turn on the bell, as me, and stay tuned guys. As you can see guys, we are no longer with King and Shay. Yeah guys, we come from down there. I want to say thanks. Yeah, we're really thankful for what them do for we. Yeah guys, them put we a road, so I just we have to continue now. Which is this never did for as that happen, you see me, but them still put them give you a name out, they will say alright, if she want to start her channel on her own, she can do that, you see me? Same like how me have my own channel right now, so she can do that if she want, you see me people? It's up to she. So guys, I'm not gonna tell you no exactly what going on, but CC, CC mess up bad guys. She mess up. I don't think so we can get back after this what she do. She really mess up and she not gonna post no video on this channel, I'm sure about that. She gonna post, she might be gonna talk about it on FR channel, so if you want to see it you can go look, search it up. Yeah, search it up. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link for the channel in the description so you can go over there and see where she are going with, because me not there where she there. She not there where me there. We not there near each other. She there her mother. Yeah, me there my people them. So guys, me did feel like say yo this I go work out for you. See me this YouTube thing and everything I go work out. Fine and alright, but you see me check it out guys. It nah work out. You see me? It nah work. I feel like I just because of YouTube make, you see me? Make we still even there together. And it now work out. I feel like we are trying to fight for nothing guys, you see me? We are trying to hold on just because of YouTube and that can't work, you see me people? That can't work, when it not real, it now no happiness now gonna there, you see me? I just lame, you know how it go already people. So we come up guys, if you ever know how I see it, me not feel like me can me not gonna forgive her for that. No time. So me just tell her say alright, make it. Yeah, you do it already, nothing can change about it. And that's an artist thing, you know, nothing can change about it. So, like you do it already, just I better you just continue at that. Me tell her, better she just continue like how she do it already because they them not gonna be an next me and you. Me tell her that straight point blank say yo, I eat that for me and her. Eat that, eat that. You see me? So as so come now she gonna make her channel by herself, which I don't really care what she want to do, you see me people, because she done mess up already. For you mess up, me can't alright, just it depends on what she do. You see that what she do? Me can't look past that, me can't look over it, round it, me can't look nowhere. You see me? We have to just cut it off right there. So you see me people? Before anything gets any serious, because I'm not gonna live with that every day of my life and just figure it and stay so and comfortable. You're mad. That can't. I can always remember it. I care what I can always remember it. And she should have known say yo, she in a relationship so certain things she not do none at all, you see me? Certain things she not do none at all. You see me guys? She know how she fit. People, I'm not going to talk this on camera, guys. You see me? I'm not going to talk this on the camera. But I just want you to subscribe to my channel, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to start some public interview, you see me? So, I'm going to just subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. And I do some comedy skits, guys. Whole heap of bad things are going on over the channel. So just stay tuned. You see me, guys? To the channel because I'm going to keep the channel active, fully active. Yeah, people. Sorry for who disappoint. You see me? Me really want this to work out, you see me? Really want it to work out, but at the end of the day, when it to work out the right way, it's not, you see me? You can't force something when it's meant to be. You see it? Me can't push out my all and you push out 50. It's like an unbalance. So if me show you my all, you have to show me your all at the same time. So you know say you have a balance scale where you see me? She not believe in that, you see me guys. CC want to live some type of lifestyle when me not up to people. You see it? Me not in them things because my parents they never grow me so. And they not grow me to come pre to be like that. You see me? So me don't know where she a pre, cause me not pre where she a pre, you see me guys? So if you don't want to see where she, me personally, me not look over and now me not look on the channel where she build. All no, me not look on it. As somebody me see come show me it and me I say yo, me never want to see it. You see me? Cause it's not relevant to me. If she build a channel, she work on her channel and everything. Me don't want to see it, me don't want to have nothing to do with it. Make it just stay as how it is, you see me? Just know say yo, we didn't know each other. We didn't know each other and it just done. You see me? See like when you know somebody a person and them, the person pass away and you know say yo, you can't see but the person just yeah, so I tell her if you just make it stay as that. Make it stay at that. You see me people because we can't deal with it. We can't manage it. We can't manage it no more. We cannot manage it. I see some local style where she always a pull off from before, you know. You see it? I see how she a move to certain things and how she react to certain songs and certain things, you know. I pre it long time, you know, but you know, I not really pre that too deep on a level. But people, I just come to tell them say, yo, you know, no more CC and Nathan. You see me guys? This is gonna be the last video talking about me and her. You see me? So I'm just do the right thing, people. You see it, cause out. As me say, she build her own channel. When you can go search up our channel. No, I put it in the description for you, so you can see it. Where she are going, because I don't know where she are going with over there. I don't look on it. I don't look on it from she build it or nothing. You see me guys, so just stay tuned for my channel. You see it?